Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And today I'm coming to you with a collaboration. Well, I'm participating in a collaboration rather, and it's entitled The Look for Less. Now this collaboration is hosted by the Latina Next Door and co-hosted by Heidi Sambal. Now in this collaboration, guys, they asked us to find something that we would like to purchase that we just not spending that money for and that we're going to remake ourselves. So I've remade 2 items in my master bedroom, and if you're interested in seeing what I did for this challenge, stick around. Okay, here is his table. You know, the one that has the mirror top on it and the cloth that drapes over it. I really hate those. I really do. The cloth to me is like saying dust and dirt, dust and dirt, dust and dirt, and creatures, and I really hate those. But I'm going to transform this table. Now, so far what I've done is that I have attempted to do the legs. Now, as you can see, I measured off and taped the legs, the feet, and I've painted them silver. You see, all of them are painted silver. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape off those after they dry and do my next step. So just stick around, guys. Okay guys, so far I've sprayed the table. I hope the video caught it because I looked up and seen it cut off. So I taped off the legs, I've sprayed the legs, and I've spray painted the top. So now we got to do is let it dry, and I'm going to put a second coat on the top, and then a sealer, and then I'll put it in the room and show you how it looks. Okay guys, here's how it looks inside. I have it placed here beside my bed with my lamp and my books I read at night. And I think it opens up that area, and it doesn't have it looking so closed in and so confined. It makes it look a little airy. So I did it on both sides of the bed, and I hope you like what I did, ladies. So guys, this is Stephanie saying that if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking that subscribe button down below. And also, guys, you see that bell next to it? Click on that bell. That bell is a notification bell, and that bell lets you know every time this girl uploads a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. And guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, as always, thank you guys for watching, and you be blessed.